action.
Hey guys, this is me, Rania, and today I'm going to be showing you Super R, the drawing series that we made, me and Cessa, of course. If you haven't watched the last Super R series, it was in Super R versus Dry Monster. You can watch it in my channel, so enjoy the show. One day, in the bank, look at the bank. Bank. Freeze! Suddenly, it's Super R! Doing. Another case sealed. The end. By me, Rania, and Cessa. Thank you for watching.
Bye.